soft, rainy, thundering.
Yeah. You see that? Jesus take a picture of you?
Yeah.
I hope you were smiling. Did he do it again? We ain't scared of thunderstorms, are we?
Remember I was too?
He used to be.
He was right there watching the thunder.
Yeah?
Jesus take a picture of me.
Yeah, he sure did. Oh no. A monster?
It's like a monster like a thunder. It sounds like a monster like wow.
Nah. What do you think he's doing up there making that thunder?
It's like
Is he going bowling?
He's going bowling?
Yeah, remember how we bowled?
Yep.
I bet that's what he's doing, making all that noise.
That's what it's like thunder.
Yeah. Oh, did you smile?
Yeah.
Okay. Here comes a good one. Awesome. What's the matter? I thought you wasn't scared anymore.
No.
Okay.
This one looks tablet.
Okay. Had enough?
Enough.
Okay. You had a good one too? Okay.
I had a good thunder.
Yeah.
Like, even Jesus car red.
Yeah, it's getting washed, huh?
Yep.
Alright. Say deuces.
Deuces, pickles,
Deuces.
bye, Kendra.
You're crazy.